We are 1 year out from female hairline transplantation. This part is natural hair. This part is transplanted down, and you can see looks totally natural. These are all transplanted hairs here. These are natural. Look at the other side now. These are natural hairs here. These are transplanted hairs here. And you can see that they look natural even close up. Very hard to tell the difference between non-transplanted and transplanted hairs coming across here. And we're going to scope, sort of go across the whole hairline. Really hard to tell what's transplanted, what is not.